Hey guys, it's Mai from My Healthy Dish, and today we are making sheet pan lemon herb chicken. Now you will really like this recipe because all you need is your sheet pan, chicken, broccoli, and sweet potato. We put it all on the sheet pan, we throw it in the oven, you forget about it, and then you have dinner in 30 minutes. So let's get started. So this is sage, parsley, and rosemary. These are our herbs. We're just gonna give it a rough chop. And this is our parsley. So this is rosemary. You don't want the stem, you just want to pick off these little leaves. And then we'll give it a rough chop too. We're gonna mix all these herbs here in our bowl. This is just our marinade for our chicken, broccoli, and sweet potato. Garlic. These lemons are actually kind of small, so I'm gonna use like 3 or 4. We just have our olive oil and some sea salt and black pepper. How easy was that? We're just gonna mix this together. Okay, so let's cut our broccoli. Remove this stem. So I'm cutting the broccoli in big chunks because it has to cook alongside the chicken. So we don't want it to overcook. Let me just drizzle a little bit of olive oil on this pan so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Lay this on here, this, all one spot. The misconception with sweet potato is that it's supposed to be orange. That's actually a yam. And sweet potato is white. So I'm gonna cut this chicken in half because it's a family of 4 dinner. How quick was that? Like, how quick was this meal? So this is our lemon herb. I'm gonna pour it over our broccoli first. Lots of color in this. Make sure we get everything. Don't waste it. And just because we like aesthetics, we eat with our eyes, we want some lemon slices in it too. Preheat your oven at 375 degrees and bake for 25 minutes. Let's go. We're done. The chicken has been in the oven for 25 minutes. Let's take it out. Look at that steam, it's still sizzling. How easy was that? We just seasoned all this and put it in the oven for 25 minutes and you're done. If you like this recipe, go to myhealthydish.com.